Yes, sir. You are right.
Tell your brothers that you are protected, that they should ensure they pass electronic transmission.
You should be protecting us fighting for your rights.
If not, when they we are resuming together in their offices.
Yes!
We are resuming together
In their offices.
I know, but they said that officially
but they resume.
So, and that time, you will either have to follow us or we drag you with us.
Yes, because we are fighting for your rights.
These are all police. Of course. Now they pay their salary.
Yes, sir.
Now our DSS, now they pay their salary.
Yes, sir.
And if any one of them is behaved, they will face disciplinary charges. Yes, for abusing their people.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Please, no amount of locking of the gate can stop us.
Yes, sir.
Because we know that when the parliamentarians themselves want to fight over money, they don't have a problem scaling this gate.
They will send email into their boxes. Yes. They will send prayer. They will send prayer into their boxes. Corruption has killed this country.
Nigeria must be saved. Nigeria must be saved. Nigeria must be saved. Nigeria must be saved.
Don't make my vote. Our vote was count. Our vote was count.
This is your gate, so don't fight. If you want to fight, fight the government.
Our vote must count.
Our voice must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count.
Our vote
must count. Our vote must count.
Our vote
must count. Must count. Must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. 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 Must count.
Your time is up. Evil politicians, your time is up. Electoral malpractice, your time is up. Election riggers, your time is up. Akpabio, you must pass the bill. My vote.
Your time is up.
Akpabio, your time is up. Your time is up. Akpabio, your time is up.
Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. Tinubu, your time is up. All their times are up.
Hey, I get you.
Greatest Nigerian people. As you know, I always have a different position.
I believe you.
And my position is that we have waited for too long for these nonsensical people to be running our country to the ground. And that, as I predicted when Tinubu came into power, Tinubu is going to cause a revolution to happen in this country.
Yes, sir.
And we are here to deliver it, the judgment that they have been waiting for.
Yes.
Nigerian people,
Yes, sir.
beyond just the transmission electronically of results, we still have a lot of bad people to deal with. And as we are making these demands, we must also be demanding for the termination of the era of impunity and the terrible politicians that have been holding us to ransom.
Absolutely.
You all know, and you don't have to argue with me about this, that there's nobody in the National Assembly that would have won an election if it was free and fair.
Yeah.
In fact, Akpabio never won the primaries of his party.
That's right.
Lawan never won the primaries of his party.
Very true.
And Tinubu couldn't have become the president of Nigeria if elections were transmitted transparently. So they are protecting themselves, and we have a duty to protect ourselves.
Yes.
We have asked them that these are minimum irreducibles. Just asking you to transmit election results, you are not doing us a favor.
No.
Because Nigerians have a bigger plan than the transmission of the results. And that is after the results are transmitted. If we do not agree with the position of the results, we will transmit the people into oblivion in our own time.
Yes.
And the last thing I will say, the National Assembly has its time now to pass the law that mandatory is the word, so that there's no lawyer, no judge who is interpreting the votes of the Nigerian people in their millions with 7 people at the Supreme Court. But let them pass the law that says mandatory transmission of election is compulsory.
In real time.
In real time. And on our part, we will find the network to make it happen. Thank you very much, Nigeria. Revolution now!